Now, the question on the board we have is in text question 2.5, calculate A. molality, B. molarity and C. mole fraction of Ki if the density of 20% mass by mass aqueous Ki is 1.202 gram per ml. So in this question we are given mass by mass percentage of Ki solution and the density of Ki solution, and we have to find the molarity and mole fraction. So in such cases, first we assume the mass of solution. So let's start solving it. Let mass of Ki solution be 100 gram. Mass of Ki equal to 20 gram because it is given 20%, and mass of water, this will be equal to 80 gram. Now the first part we have to calculate molality. Molality is given by a formula number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Now to calculate molality we have to find the number of moles of Ki. So number of moles of Ki, given mass, the mass of Ki is 20 gram upon molar mass. For molar mass, for potassium we will use 39 and for iodine we will use 127. So this thing we will get on solution 20 divided by 166. Now the molality equals number of moles, which is 20 upon 166 upon mass of solvent, which is 80 gram, and this should be converted into kilograms, so we are dividing it by 1000. Now on simplifying this we will get 20 upon 166 into 1000 upon 80. So this will be cancelled 4 times and this will be cancelled 250 times. So we will get 1.506 m. So molality of Ki solution is 1.506 m. Now we will move towards the molarity. B part. Molarity equals number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Number of moles of solute, that is 20 divided by 166 upon volume of solution. Volume of solution you can find by using its mass and density. So mass upon density is volume. So mass is 100 gram and its density is 1.202. So now if we solve this, if we simplify this, we will get 20 upon 166 into 1.202 upon 100. On solving this, the value of molarity we will get as 1.45. 1.45 m. So the molarity of Ki solution is 1.45 m. Next part we have to solve is the mole fraction of Ki. Mole fraction is equal to number of moles of component divided by total number of moles of all the components in solution. Here number of moles of Ki, this can be written as 20 upon 166 upon total number of moles, means moles of Ki 20 upon 166 plus moles of water. So number of moles of water 80 gram, the mass of water in the solution, upon 18 the molar mass of water in the solution. So on solving this, the mole fraction of what Ki solution will come as 0.026. So the mole fraction of Ki is 0.026 in the solution. This will be the complete solution of this question.